Ever felt like your money could be doing more? Like it's just sitting there, not really working for you? Maybe you're juggling multiple accounts, trying to keep track of everything, and it's just a headache. Or perhaps you're looking for better interest rates, easier ways to invest, or even a simpler way to manage your day-to-day finances. If any of this resonates, then you're in the right place, because today, we're diving into how to open a SoFi account, a platform designed to simplify and amplify your financial life. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of the sign-up process, let's talk a little about SoFi and why it might be a good fit for you. SoFi, short for social finance, is a one-stop shop for various financial products. They offer everything from checking and savings accounts to investing, loans, and even credit cards. The idea is to consolidate your finances in one place, making it easier to manage and grow your wealth. One of the key things that sets SoFi apart is its focus on technology and user experience. Their platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. They also offer competitive interest rates on their banking products and a range of investment options to suit different risk tolerances. So, if you're looking for a modern, all-in-one financial platform, SoFi is definitely worth considering. And in this video, we're going to walk you through the entire process of opening an account, step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to the SoFi website or download their mobile app. Both options work equally well, so choose whichever you prefer. For this walkthrough, we'll generally refer to the online website experience, but the app is very similar. Once you're on the SoFi homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the account creation page. Here, you'll be asked to provide some basic personal information. This includes your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. Make sure you enter this information accurately, as it's crucial for verifying your identity. Next, you'll need to create a secure password for your SoFi account. Choose a password that is strong and difficult to guess. It should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily identifiable information like your birthdate or name. SoFi also has password strength indicators to help you make sure your password meets the minimum requirements. After entering your personal information and creating a password, you'll be asked to provide your social security number. This is a standard practice for financial institutions and is required for identity verification and tax reporting purposes. SoFi uses secure encryption to protect your sensitive information. You'll also need to provide your physical address. This is important for mailing purposes and also for further verifying your identity. Now, here's where things get interesting. SoFi offers a variety of accounts, including checking, savings, and investment accounts. You can choose to open one or multiple accounts depending on your needs. If you're interested in a checking account, SoFi offers a checking account with no monthly fees and access to a large ATM network. It also offers features like early direct deposit, meaning you could get your paycheck up to 2 days early. Their savings account offers competitive interest rates, helping your money grow faster. You can also set up automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts to make saving even easier. If you're interested in investing, SoFi offers both active investing and automated investing options. With active investing, you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other assets on your own. With automated investing, you can create a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and investment goals, and SoFi will manage it for you. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's say you want to open a checking and savings account. You would select both options during the sign-up process. Once you've selected the accounts you want, SoFi will likely ask you some additional questions to verify your identity. This might include questions about your previous addresses, loans, or other financial history. These questions are designed to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your account. After completing the identity verification process, you'll need to review and accept SoFi's terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these carefully before agreeing. Once you've agreed to the terms, your SoFi account will be officially opened. Congratulations! Now, you'll likely want to fund your new account. SoFi offers several ways to do this. You can link an existing bank account and transfer funds electronically, or you can set up direct deposit from your paycheck. You can also deposit checks using SoFi's mobile app. Linking an external bank account is usually the fastest and easiest way to transfer funds. You'll need your routing and account number from your existing bank. SoFi uses secure connections to link your accounts. Setting up direct deposit is a great way to automatically fund your SoFi account each pay period. You'll need to provide your employer with SoFi's routing number and your account number. And that's it. You've successfully opened a SoFi account. Now you can start exploring the platform and taking advantage of its various features. You can set up budgets, track your spending, manage your investments, and much more. Remember, SoFi is designed to be a comprehensive financial platform, so take some time to explore all the different tools and resources available to you. They also have excellent customer support, so if you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to them. Opening a SoFi account is a relatively straightforward process, as you've seen. It's about providing some personal information, verifying your identity, choosing the accounts that suit your needs, and then funding your account. The whole process can often be completed in a matter of minutes. So, if you're looking for a modern, user-friendly, and all-in-one financial platform, SoFi is definitely worth checking out. It can simplify your financial life, help you save more money, and make investing more accessible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.